Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Are you tired of trying to find nutritious foods that are low in carbs and sugar? Look no further because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 12 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar if you're currently trying to cut down on or starting keto or living a low-carb lifestyle. Let's kick off the list with spinach. This leafy green is packed with vitamins and minerals and has 0 carbs and sugar. 2. Next up, we have salmon. Not only is it a great source of protein, but it's also full of healthy omega-3 fatty acids and has no carbs or sugar. 3. Moving on, we have cauliflower. This versatile veggie can be roasted, mashed, or even made into pizza crust, and it's also carb and sugar-free. 4. Avocado is up next. This superfood is high in healthy fats and fiber, making it a perfect addition to your diet. It has about 2 grams of carbs, which is minimal, and 0 sugar. 5. Another leafy green on our list is arugula. It's a great source of vitamin C and iron and has 0 carbs and sugar. 6. Let's talk about chicken breast. It's a fantastic source of lean protein, and you guessed it has no carbs or sugar. 7. Eggs are up next. Not only are they a versatile ingredient, but they also contain important vitamins and minerals, and they have no carbs or sugar. 8. Broccoli is another vegetable that made the list. It's loaded with fiber and vitamin C and, you guessed it, no carbs or sugar. 9. Tuna is next. It's high in protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and it's also carb and sugar-free. 10. Moving on to mushrooms. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamins, and they have 0 carbs and sugar. 11. One of the healthiest nuts out there is almonds. They're high in protein and healthy fats and, you guessed it, no carbs or sugar. 12. And finally, we've made it to our number 1 healthiest food with no carbs and no sugar, watercress. This leafy green is incredibly nutrient-dense, containing vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. Plus, it has 0 carbs and sugar. So there you have it, our top 12 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be fueling your body with the nutrients it needs without any of the unwanted carbs or sugar. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.